What it be, what it be. So good to be back with you guys. This is your homework or classwork. Hopefully you got done and it was not for homework. Let's go over this real quick. There are 13 of them. And, all right, number 1. 7x plus 9 equals 58. Let me get my pen going here. Here we go. I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. Those are going to cancel. I'm left with 7x equals 49. Divide by 7. And I am going to be left with x is going to equal 7. I'm going to go down to the bottom. X equals 7s. All right, so 1 is s. Everywhere there is a 1, I'm going to put an s. There we go. Okay. Number 2. Gonna subtract 33 from both sides. Gonna be left with negative 3x is going to equal negative 45. I am going to divide by negative 3. And I'm going to get x is going to equal a positive 15. Okay, so I'm going to go down to the bottom. Where does x equal 15? It is y. So everywhere there is a 2, I'm going to put a y. Okay, there is it. Okay. I think that was number 2. Yeah. Number 3. I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. Those cancel. I'm left with x over 5 is going to equal 9. X divided by 5, what is the opposite? Multiplication. Those cancel. I'm left with x equals 45. Going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to find what x equals 45. Which one? It's I. I want to talk about me. I want to talk about me. Anyways, number 3 is I. One of you classes thought that was really funny because y'all heard me sing that song. All right. Number 4. Like terms. Those cancel. I'm left with 3x equals negative 57. Going to divide by 3. Those go away. I'm left with x equals negative 19. Go down here, find negative 19. It's an r. R. All right, R. I did that for number 9. What a doofus. Don't put that. It's supposed to be number 4. I'm putting R for. There we go. All right. Number 5. Subtract 8 from both sides. Those go away. I'm left with 2x equals negative 12. Divide by 2. X equals negative 6. That is number 5. So go down here and find negative 6. There it is, D. So 5 is D. I don't even see a 5. There it is. All right. Number 6. They're in a little reverse order. It still doesn't change which ones you do first. You take. How did you know to subtract 13? Because that's understood to be a what? A positive 13, okay? Those go, whoops, double whoops. All right, those cancel. I'm left with negative 4x equals negative 24. Divide by negative 4. How did I know to divide? Because that is negative 4 times x. X equals a positive 6. So 6 is positive 6. So that one's easy to remember. 6 is A. There's 1. That's the only one. Okay. Number 7. I'm going to add 12 to both sides. Those go away. X over 2 equals negative 2. Multiply by a positive 2. Negative 4. So 7 is negative 4. So where is negative 4? So 7 is T. Mr. T. Mr. T. All right, moving on. Number 8. Subtract 16. Those go away. 8x equals negative 8. Divide by 8. X equals negative 1. There you go. That's an ugly negative 1, but it is what it is. So 8 is negative 1. So where's negative 1? G. G unit. All right, so G is 8. Where's an 8? There it is. Okay. Subtract 11 from both sides. X over negative 3 equals negative 80. Negative 88. Look at me. What do I do for this? Equals negative 3. Multiply by negative 3. Those go away, and I'm left with x equals 9. That would be W. So number 9 is W. It was something is the answer. All right, add 15. Those go away. I'm left with negative 8x equals 40. Divide by negative 8. X equals negative 5. That's an x, by the way. X equals negative 5. So where does x equal negative 5? N. So 10 is N. 10 is N. All right. Number 11, we're going to add 2. 2x is going to equal negative 16. You're going to divide by 2. X is going to equal negative 8. So 11 is negative 8, which is O. Oh, my bad. 11 is O. Okay. 12. Add 1. Those go away. I'm left with 5x equals 15. Divide by 5. X is going to be 3, which is E. So number 12 is E. There's a lot of those. I want to buy a vowel E. All right, number 13. Let's go ahead and subtract 24 from both sides. Those go away. I'm left with x over 4 equals negative 3. Multiply by 4. X equals negative 12, which is V. The answer is it was over 90 degrees. It was hot. Okay. All right. That is your homework, or whatever we want to call it, for today. All right. See you guys on the flip side.